Alright, so what I have here is an XV Sudoku, and it's a Sudoku variant, and this is a hard level XV Sudoku. This is today's XV Sudoku in the Sudoku Central website, and it's in the UK. And yeah, it's the first day of July. And July 4th is almost coming. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. Alright, so now let's get over the rules of XV Sudoku. So normal Sudoku rules apply. X equals 10. So this could be 6 and 4, 7, 3, 8, 2, and 9, 1. V's equals 5, so this could be 1, 4 or 2, 3. And we also have the negative constraint. So let's just say I put a 1 over here. This means that 4 cannot go near 1 because there's no V between them. So 4 has to go somewhere else. And 9, because that adds 10 if 9 goes near 1. Alright, so that's the rules of XV Sudoku. Now let's begin. So we can already see that this is 9, this one is 1, this is 4. And that's all we're given. Alright, let's see. Right, so this has to be 2 or 3. Oh. Right, I gotta click on the pencil button. Because like usually I click the space bar when I'm in the New York Times Sudoku and LA Times Sudoku. I click the space button to get the pencil marks, but in this website you have to click on the button, and yeah, spacebar would just bring you down. Anyway, so this is 2 and 3 because 1 4 cannot work in here because this one right over here. So this 1 4 cannot work in here. So this is 2 and 3. Now this domino cannot be 9 1 because we already have a 9 1 here. Cannot be 7 3 because it's 7, and it cannot be 8 2 because we know 2 is going to be in here. So this domino has 6 and 4, and this 6 tells us that this is a 6. Oh, that's a 6. That's a 4. Alright, now what we have left in this box is 5 and 8. Alright. Right, so this box cannot be 1 4 because this 4 crosses this entire domino. So this has to be 2 and 3. This one has to be 2 and 3. So this has to be 1 4. And because we know that 1 4 is going to be in here, it crosses off this entire domino. So this is going to be 2 and 3. This is going to be 1 and 4. Alright, and this is also going to be 2 and 3. Okay. Yeah, 9. This 9 crosses these cells, so it puts 9 here. So this means that 1 has to move over here because 1 cannot be near 9. That will add up to 10. There's no x between them. And it fixes this domino. Alright. Alright, this one has to be 2 and 3. Yes, and this has to be 2 because 7 here, because this is a 3, 7 has to be in here, and that cannot be allowed because it is 7. So this is a 2. Also, this is a 2, 3 because of this 4 cost this entire domino. So that's a 2. That's an 8. Put 8 up there. That's a 5. 2 goes there because it put 2 over here. That go next to 8, and that cannot be allowed. This has to be 1, 4. This 4 crosses this cell. So 4 goes there. That's a 1. Alright, so we have 1. So cannot be 9, 1. We have 4. Cannot be 6, 4. And we have this 8, 2. So it has to be 7, 3. So I'm going to put that in there. Alright. This domino, we cannot be 1, 9 because of this one. Cannot be 6, 4 because we have this 6 and this 4. Yeah, so cannot be 6, 4. And we know it cannot be 7, 3 because of the 7, 3. So it must be 8, 2. And this 8, let us know that 8 is in here. That's a 2. 2 goes there. That's 3. Yes. Alright. 8 goes there because this 8 crosses this cell. Now, that's all we got about the 8, and there's nothing else we can do. But actually, if you look further, 8 cannot be in here because the negative constraint. It cannot be next to 2 because that'll add up to 10. And it cannot be here because if 8 was there, that'd be 2 and that'd be 3, and this will knock off this pencil mark. This pencil mark must stay like this. So 8 goes there. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, also we could put 2 and 3 in here, right? Oh yeah, and because this is 2 and 3, this has to be 1, 4, and this 1, let us know that 1 is up there. So that's a 1, that's a 4, that's a 9. Alright. Yeah. 9 goes up there because 9 cannot be next to 1, and these cells get crossed off by this 9. So 9 goes there, and 9 has to be in here because this cell is crossed off, cannot be next to 1, so that's 9. Right, and 9 goes in there because this cell crosses these cells. Oh yeah, and this cell crosses these cells. Yeah, and this 9 crosses this cell. And if we put 9 there, that'll be a 1. That cannot be allowed because of this 1. So 9 goes there. And the 9, right, 9 is in there. Because we put 9 in there, that'll have 1. Cannot be allowed because of this 1. So this is a 1. Now 1's going to be in here. Cannot have 1 there because we know it's going to be 2 and 3. 2 or 3. What else? Let's see, do we got any more stuff about the 9s? Oh yeah, 9 goes there. Because this 9 has these 2 cells left. 9 cannot be in there because this is a V domino. High numbers cannot be in here. So 9 goes there. 5 has to go in there because we know 5 is going to be in here. Crosses these cells. And these 5 and this 5 makes these two the last cells, and 5 has to go in here because we cannot have 5s in the dominoes, because if I was in this X domino, another 5 would be in there, and that'll be a repeat. We cannot have in Sudoku. And same goes with the V's. If we put a 5 in the V, we'll need a 0, and there's no zeros in Sudoku. 5 goes in there. Let's see what else. Right, so yeah, so this cannot be 6, 4 because it is 6 and 4. And this cannot be 8, 2 nor 7, 3 because we have these 2 and 3 over here that's gonna take over this entire domino. So it must be 9, 1. This 9, let's know that could be like this. And 1 goes in there. I think I told you guys that 1s are going to be in here. Let's take a look at this domino. Cannot be 9, 1, could not be 8, 2, and could not be 7, 3. So this is going to be 6 and 4. This 4 lets us know that this is 4, this is 6. Let's see, let's check out this row. What we need left here, 7 and 8. This 7 pushes 7 in here. That's an 8. Done with the row. Cannot be 1, 9, and cannot be 8, 2, and 7, 3. So it has to be 6, 4. This 4 puts 4 over here. That's 6. And we need a 5 in there. Puts 5 in there. And we need a 6. Yes. Alright, now what we have here left is 7 and 8. Yes, and because there's going to be a 7 in here, 7 cannot be in there. So that is going to be 3. That's a 7. That's a 3. That's a 2. Alright. What else do we got? Oh yeah, we could finish off this column. This is going to be 6. Yes. That's a 6. Oh yeah, this 3 tells us that this is a 2. 3, 2, 8, 7. This cannot be a 3 because that was a 3, that would be a 7, and we already have a 7 in here, so this is a 2. That's an 8. That's 3. 3 goes in here. We need a 4, a 5, and a 7. We need in here is a we need a 6. Yeah, 6 goes there because of this 6, and then 6 cannot be in here because of this 4. So we need 7 and 8. 8 goes there. That's a 7. Last digit in this row is 5 goes in there, and this is going to be 6. What we need in here is 5 and 7. 7 goes in there. Last digit, a 3. Alright. So that is the XV Sudoku. This is, in my opinion, this is my favorite Sudoku variant. I really love this type of Sudoku. Yeah. And I really love I love the logic in this XV Sudoku, and like once in a while I just have to go back to one of these. And yeah, maybe I could play some more XV Sudokus, maybe some harder ones. Alright, so that's about it. See ya.